at page 111.
मखदूम साहब, वो आप बाद में हम देख लेंगे once the election commission confirms.
But
that will be the factual position.
My lord, the factual position also is that at the moment there is, that factual position may change, but at the moment there is a letter on the record dated 26th February 2024 signed by Sahibzada Muhammad Hamid Raza, Chairman, Sunni Ittihad Council, which states categorically on 26th February 2024 that no candidate contested in the general elections 2024 on the symbol of Sunni Ittihad Council. Therefore, the list regarding women candidates does not exist. Thanks, not submitted.
Symbol jo hai, has not, speaking for myself, has nothing to do with the fact whether a candidate has contested the elections as an independent or as a party candidate. It is his declaration in the nomination papers which would be crucial.
My lord, that is, I am not privy to that, but that will come before.
And it's also relevant, as we've just been told, and subject to what the election commission says, that was he denied contesting the election against the symbol of the horse, and why was he denied that, which made him also, compelled him to contest as an independent. So it changes the way this case has been argued.
I do not, your ladyship, dispute that observation. May I only submit that this was not the case set up before the election commission or in the pleadings before the High Court or in the petition or appeal before your ladyship
So
and
then
your
let's
lordships.
not rely on this fact for now until it's confirmed.
Well, I am only saying that this fact has not even been alleged. Throughout these proceedings, this is not a contested fact.
This letter does not show that they were denied the symbol or they were not allowed to contest it. It's a very simple letter. They themselves informed the ECP.
This letter
Not the case.
This letter does not show, and my lord, the pleadings do not show that they wanted to contest and on the symbol of a horse.
It means that there was a symbol
SIC.
was available. They say that nobody contested the election on
Yes.
the symbol. It means
Yes.
there was a symbol. Otherwise, so there was no mentioning of symbol.
this is-
If it was snatched by the ECP, then
This-
what is the fun of mentioning this case? Nobody contested the election on the symbol.
My
There
lord-
was a symbol then.
Insofar as I am concerned, till this disclosure made this morning, this was the undisputed position from the pleadings of the parties. And that was the basis of my submission.
Ali Khan, I think it's pretty settled law that everything has to be said on the basis of pleadings.
Yes.
I mean, law points, of course, you can agitate. Now, so sorry, we will go by what the pleadings are. Unless there's something in the pleadings saying to the contrary, fine.
My lord, my friends with
It's
them,
neither our case to build up someone's case, nor is it our job to demolish anyone's case. We will go by the facts as have been stated. It's for the other side to say this fact is not factually correct, or that's your prerogative or their prerogative.
my lord, my friends with the matchless industry will be able to point out if I am in error on this, but my case before this honorable court is that this was not a fact in issue before either the Election Commission of Pakistan or before the Peshawar High Court or even before this honorable court in the pleadings submitted before this honorable court, first as CPLA or as civil appeal, or even in the very elaborate and extensive submissions made over the course of 3 days.
You see, from your point of view, nothing turns on this fact. The relevant argument from your point of view is proportional representation system. And your case has to be how these women fall within the concept of a proportional representation system and why it's should not be considered disproportionate to the number of seats won. So that's primarily where your case comes in.
With your ladyship's leave, I'll take it a little further.
All right.
And my case is that proportional representation system is not a stand-alone phrase in the Constitution. It is the proportional representation system of political parties' list of candidates.
Fair enough, but from that list, proportionately named reserve seats के लिए दिए जाएंगे. So you would have to explain this concept of proportional representation.